Yes, I'm Munyana Akwaba eba today in court so Adom TV and I feel Sempa 94.7 FM and Adom 106.3 FM. Yes, that's not see if it's a copy say no do ebebo today in court. Bremo and the highest court of the land, the Supreme Court of Ghana, etnase on the 2020 election petition and any name say and any data court ne fix says hearing and kasa. Echaye tnasi etie asem na nkasa no enne ena ehya ba ye kokopie mu ewo court no otumu se na applications bia na egu court nanim na wo so omohwe etumi etna so nti ni nyina no court no etimi etna se ye beto yembo na yakoni nyina mu baako na mo nso motimi atemo ho ase medi osai bonso medi today in court jumedi no bremo lawyer Justice Abdullahi ena eboa yen enne said de bia oye no na yetimi akọ nseminim lawyer otemenka akọ aba bibia boko de
akọ adumo eja ewana na kakra eboko ese beko
ebeko e ka won paibo
enne nyango ko ncha de enye covid mum
yeah.
Como kase covid no me test just in your covid inti one obi bia no
yeah but I think it's good sir Ube declare further and better particulars no be I clear very necessary
I have four meet me the test no results not to be
anyways me da say the be say ye be dane ye ho abatew ye ba ye hyase e wo Supreme Court lawyer Chachuche Kata erezi initial point be say applications be omo put before the court ne hwe and withdraw and I say omo withdraw applications no e the free court ba ko ye omo request for stay of proceedings omo hwe a withdraw e the free court ansana second application being so no more pay broni friend abridgment of time inti court ne share enne say omo debatie the application for review na earlier na Chachuche Kata file applications anka court ne hwenka the Tuesday in this application e wo ho a eno so no mo so omo withdraw inti ye na ne ye homra ye ba ye betie ne argument for those two na afa ya hwe atoa so ye ba sisia. Yes, I'm Munyana Akwaba bio about today in court so Adom TV and afia Sempa FM and Adom 106.3 FM midin your say bonsu and then sembebre na akoso court ye ko break me kind to my name say 9:30 court etna se no lawyer Chachuche Kata ye counsel Emma petitioner e wo case we mu ne former president John Dramani Mahama ono ena ofri se nioma bi ankoye ama no elections 2020 into the assembly no akwa court into ono petitioner na petitioner de call ye no na respondent omo a o hye so omumra meyi ne nsem na no ye mienu the odi kan ye Electoral Commission of Ghana into ono ye first respondent the otoso mienu ye Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ono ye second respondent or the Nanado kan ho because the can say elections are Jane Adukwe Mensa a ono ye EC chairperson e declare man Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo no nana a benefited from sa declaration na ono free say ye illegal it is all the EC kwa e was all the nipo benefit ye no so ye den odi ono nso e ka ho nti Nanado second respondent nti enne petitioner John Mahama ne lawyer Chachuche Kata sorry e ka say omo the applications bi ba court ni mo pese o sign etwe e sign the court ne ma ne kwan ma ne kasai ye ntie ne nsem odi to wiane bi.
We have filed a motion to stay proceedings, and we also have a motion for leave to file an additional ground of review to replace a paragraph of our original statement of case and file a supplement to the statement of case. My lords, in respect in respect of the motion for stay of proceedings, your lordships may appreciate that we indicated that that was for stay pending the hearing and determination of the review application. If your lordships are going to proceed to hear the review application, then clearly that motion for stay will be...
It's moot.
I'm sorry?
It's moot.
Indeed.
Okay.
Indeed.
So, yeah, so should I proceed to formally strike it out as withdrawn?
Yes, so I just wanted to be clear that you're proceeding to hear the application for leave, in which case we are withdrawing the motion for stay.
Okay.
We respectfully ask to withdraw the motion for stay and to proceed to take the other application.
I think two applications are moot. So to level the playing field, maybe withdraw. The abridgment of time to is moot. So if the two, and you filed, yes, that one too is moot.
Yes, so your lordship, I wish to withdraw that application. So.
My court, the motion for stay of proceedings is struck out as withdrawn. Yes.
But my lords, with respect, I wish to withdraw the motion for abridgment of time.
Okay. I have to have that application, which is still pending, to also be formally struck out as withdrawn.
Okay, into lawyer Chachuche Kata and one justices of the Supreme Court, Nyasa in Kitahono. Na the attorney say motions me no be na court na nim dada no na omo pese omo withdraw e free ho. Lawyer Abdullahi say utie sa nkomo e course between Chachu and the bench na a normal practice in court na say me the application be court. But me sure circumstances na application ne ho nhye dey here bio. Inti me year free ho. President of the bench ka say inti omo striking it out na say me pacho.
Say what the assem kodan kota in so be if you move send so if you no my court also two peculiar friends options. The first one dismissal, in fact 3 peculiar, either dismissal, granting or striking it out. Dismissal, granting or striking out. Nimi ensano ebian to sasonko. Enti dodo na no se court no pese ohun moba na ebia bibinti pese ebi o ma kwanya bi echina se ko ba se bibinti bia pese sane sa application is sa bi ma obitime san ba e ba sa court no ma wa kwan se o pese o withdraw na se o timi court ma sa kwan na se o withdraw sa application no you striking it out as withdrawn. Na who so so say e ma kwan e ma se dache se o pese o san ba bi ma what must have a court name over the same subject matter.
Oh, okay.
Now, so why? So why exercises sa option no? Na say we chinchini say what the chinchini was now the ban ed. Unko an wato onyu no tie no hu say enyum na ed. Untie mo bi fufuro ntie nju nim say no say ye papa na nya papa. Na so chinchini a obekoso ambu sa application na. Then you leave the court with 2 options, either to grant the application or to have it dismissed. Now, the court will grant any song. Name the court will dismiss it. A Hunsun Sasson said, and no, they won't mean some fast application in maybe.
Okay.
Nina, no, the opening and farm striking out as a friend saying withdrawn and dismissal. Nina, no, assembly term. Name will be a Susan Sonko.
Oh, okay. In the case of
I don't know. On the man is going and say, Open say yen come, and I say, Open say ye dear one, some year, ye take this she. No, say, baby, Open see him. It's striking out as withdrawn.
Okay.
Into ono aja to say asem no dia bada court no ebia bibi ntino on bese obekoso akasa asem ni biem. Say bibi kro say yo say nyu no in fact it's not about the merit. It's yes asem no ye papa na say ye boni ntina wo twan asan. Ni mo no afisa asem na hunhia ntino wo twan asan.
Justices ne ba ko ka say asem na a moot dada inti even before you call for say young withdraw no asem no cry moot eno no na or patcher saying
in fact eno eko wie ho na se ka asem na moot na say asem no nyenka ese opese opiemie ye no yenya ye wi
okay
ana say hu hia biem say ye
okay
it either say hu hia biem because asem no de man hu hia no etwa nke hu hia no any senate any say omonde ba stay of proceedings so as the stay proceedings no because of say wo ye sa nema bi no person say etie review application any ade ansa na so Supreme Court bet for so di asem na we di asem no ena ampa emre ni adaje enti no akokko wie sa de na nko open na de tie ka sa high mute no no
okay
which means the encounter person o ye man no
okay because
now come untia the entire what is our application for stay of proceedings nearby no into so now open what the Kenya is what the Kenya there na say hu here bi see betie sa asem
okay I think it makes sense now
okay in fact one any say so first day na twetwam
yeah
I call Supreme Court the first application na want to say umuma chachuse nka Supreme Court emma kwan na nka TV stations for na radio for nyina mu Supreme Court demo na mo mfa de ekoso nyina na emeto ewiase nyina ni ntimi hwe bi ansana sa application ne beba so kra na Supreme Court edikai masa order no say Supreme Court ni me bekoso nyina na ye nyina obi a amra ne me bi TV for the radio for mu nyina mo na mo me bi na the whole Ghana and the whole world in 90. It is a command sa na say application na kwa new because the opening e di kan see wi so the same thing is here where I say we move applications Supreme Court there be because nearby person o kan no ye di kan ye ho asem ye di kan e di mu dwuma it is sa pepe na we no so etie o be so move motion may say ye be me twentwen kopim say ye betie wasem na wi ansa na say be di asem na di asem no
asem nso ne ye betie okay nti I get you now nti eno e free kwan mu no na afei akwanya na ba beda ho say the other motion no court no ebehwe atena so eno ne de eno ne say application a chatuche kata ugina mahama na mu de koye say yenhwe enye review of Supreme Court decision omo de ebaye no na opese of file supplementary document bi e de eka ho court no ema ne kwan ye beda ne ye ho aba ye ba ye behwe no na afi ye di ho nkomo ye ba sisi ha Yes, I am going to say about today in court. Part of election headquarters, Kokromoti Power, Jumedia Yedi, Adom TV. So, Asempa 94.7 FM and Adom 106.3 FM. Meaning your say, Bonsu. Mene lawyer Justice Abdullahi and Eshe Edin Komo and the course Supreme Court. Yet to me, Eddie Abram. Jumedia Yabuafu Abuayen, a petrosol. Petrosol say clean fuel in full quantity is always a delightful experience. Your DBS roofing, we truly are your roof expert, and your core mixture, also the immune booster for your general well-being. And you may call me and say, a day today in court, you may know to me at the Abramiti. Can say, petition and the say now our questions back do me no 12. Our per se electoral commission a year no emano. Supreme Court at the time ebogui say on share da emman nyina so titiw bi e wo so oboma ne saa kwan no oboto goi and na petitioner no e file the friend review in the Supreme Court had the decision ba wo kwan say o sign e file review so omo nsan hwemu bio na ebia we ni we nti omo hu say no we na sankoye in the monsan so enhwemu bio eno na enne na e wo say Supreme Court etna so na before that no petitioner ne ka say answer na Supreme Court behwe sa asem na nkasa no or additional information ne document bi opeso sign e de eka ho na eboa court na ma court no etimi ehwe ebu asem no eyi eno na court ne ma lawyer Chachuche Katakwan emo de ne argument nyina sentia opeso de sa additional information no eka ho owieye isi lawyer nso kasa e na nanado lawyer nso ekasa e ni nyina ekoko wieye no Supreme Court mpanyifo ma wo mu so esan ba bi odi omu ruling e by yentie ruling a president no edituja.
You've considered the submissions canvassed in support and opposition to this application. We notice that the application before this court is brought under the inherent jurisdiction of the court to file A, additional grounds of review, B, replace paragraph 28 of the original statement of case, and C, file a supplement to the statement of case. The application, which was argued before us, is not sanctioned by any provisions in CI 16, specifically from Rule 54 to 60 of the Supreme Court Rule CI 16 of 1996. In law, and by the settled practice of this court, it should be noted that reviews and appeals are conceptually different, and the rules governing the application of either of them are very distinct, and this court has in several cases exhibited remarkable consistency. Learned Counsel referred this court to the case of Ellis Tamaklu versus the Republic, reported in 2011, 1 Supreme Court of Ghana Law Report, page 29, which was a review application involving the liberty of the individual in issue. In such matters, the courts have always adopted a more liberal approach in the modern-day administration of justice. Indeed, the application was not for leave to file an amendment of the grounds of review, as in this application. Indeed, Atuguba JSC never discussed any supplementary statement of case. His Lordship merely made reference to supplementary statement of case filed by the applicant. Indeed, all the other cases referred to by counsel for the applicant are based on original jurisdiction and civil appeals. The Tamaklo case does not in any way discuss the grant of application for the relief sought in this motion before us. In civil appeals and original jurisdiction matters before this court, there are express provisions to grant the relief sought in this application, and the court may, in appropriate cases, grant such applications in the interest of substantial justice under Rules 15, sub-Rule 11, and 51 of the CR 16 of 1966. To accede to this application would be tantamount to expanding the scope of the jurisdiction of review, which jurisdiction is not provided under this court by the rules. We find that our inherent jurisdiction cannot be invoked under the circumstances of the case when the rules of court has made clear provisions in the exercise of our jurisdiction in this matter. We accordingly proceed to dismiss the application.
And the Chief Justice Enini Yeboah, President of the panel, and Eddie ruling no etu joint nyoma miensa na petitioner ne pese oye said ye wote say all kano no pese mo file the broni friend of supplementary statement of case no pese mo add the additional ground for the review ne ba ko kan and afei in your more original statement of case the paragraph 28 no pese ankomo eyen sakremu kakra ewo ho court ne say bibi say die ye ma okwan a enye ye lawyer den
obi we said ya watch him na say neman kwa out ya say kwa say mi o you now we lawyer mo said watch him na chachu asmo de da court no said ya what kind no court or say or person and some of nitia wan say review application or the aba no or person yi be free no di bika ho there's ohwa ono aja to say some of the buy no am say enwie payo it's say maybe ne 10 penny a dey ntino am say mo de niam bi kika ho an no fi say eni kwa so de ka ho into percent ko sesem bi ebi also person the for can say grounds no and say nienti a omo ba court no omo person review no eba so no say to me now no gina so nienti a ofi say any kwan say Supreme Court ese o madwene o decision o man no eno so o person sande bi ka ho na o de ba no no asanje to me say Supreme Court no emre mu no to me bia ni ho sa say manage say be bia say to Supreme Court to me so mo man kwan ema ne sa ne wo ye no nemom ye fa bi inherent jurisdiction no asa chere say Supreme Court na wo to me as to me the entron to mre bia mani buku bia ma obetuma kwa kom nemom to me a court na nkasa wo dada ansakra na ye be bo court no kra na si wo say court no was how to me no dada ya and ye fa inherent jurisdiction say eno ye de wo court no na nyamra se ya try to constitution mu ana se ya try to book fufuro bi mu ana se panimu bi ana parliament na ahyehyɛ saa amra na to ana Ghana man nyina na ahyehyɛ saa amra na to bibia se ni ho nemom tumi a ɛwɔ ɛhyɛ court ni mu dada se court ni nti no ɛwɔ saa tumi no itimi ejito ɛsɛ tumi Supreme Court itimi gyina saa tumi ni so na ɔmo saa kwan no no mo de saa nneɛma no beso mo sa no nsakra no beso mo de ba no mo de ba Supreme Court tie omu nyina ewie no so okay ya Kufuor lawyers ne electoral commission lawyers no o ma say na nkasa bi ne ma ne ba sa ne say wo ba for review a o hwemu pa o dwene ho pa na say court no ankasa na ba challenge no enye o ma o no mo nya asem no court no na o pese o kire court no say court no decision o take here no enyina so no enkoye ntwaye enti enye o mo ma o no mo nya asem mo na o no mo nya enti ekoba ne sa ana eden nyamie ni kreni ezan say sani ana asofo ne kano we die na akwa say enye o ne honam
ene moja na enya
sa pepe enti ana de pa no kremuni
okay
so we beka obi a no panimu no aka kire o say ade a ode aba no so mpene so nti watwam na obeka kire say wa nwene hu ye na nko dwene hu ye a nko nka ne sa ana ne ka na eden enti basa de ono na nya ne de ono de ono no aso obeka kambrofo keke no ko esa say o tumi say so kasa bi enti no make kan brofo a na bom court na no enti na so behwe a ni padodo na emuma decision na nkasa nya say ni padodo na eba
mienu beka ho
ye di ka ho esa say oni court na nkasa na enya oni edanado ana say mpo electoral commission na enya so the team like ba na Supreme Court nyina so mo gyina so ne say no credit so what the can I refer cases bebre so sa case we Supreme Court kra mo ma kwan case we so mo ma kwan na judge for omu kire mu say ampa case ni ba kwan ka no eno credit e ma kwan na no criminal case se ka say criminal case na say case a nipa fa ahudie abetwam obi fa ahudie ya totima esan say bi obi ba ko prison ana mpo ye betimi agene kra preference nsem na judge bi tiem say koba ne sa de a ana omoye ahweye kakra esan say efa obi fa ahudie ho efa nipa ye kra ho na efa ho nti say koba ne sa de a ana omu enchenchire nyema so dendenden nti koba ne sa omutumi makwan say nipa no yitimi ma ne sakra ne nsenim esan say ebia na nse no kana ebia na betimi amana nya ne fa ahudi ana betimi na akoto efiase ana mpo betimi amana hwere ne kra
okay
edentia na muta amakwan na mom cases bebre na aka ne de erododo na akra no sa de chachuchika ta aka no kra no na ebi kra ni mumpo na ba ku bi kra tuba de okobo ne di no so eno kra de eno no atuba no kan ho asem keke na no en fast na no mu edie no ho enti so already your body na tofa na say cases ne na so a odi bani na no atutatu de ba no na so bia nim na Supreme Court mmem so medical aka no asese bibia pepe pese ne na efata emu ba bia ni ho a Supreme Court wotumi se ese wotumi makwan man nsam odi kan bia ba abeda on no ma kwan ma san review applications ho
okay
enti se ka na tia bia na so makwan enyeyi esan se sa court no inherent jurisdiction na aka se court na wotumi se omo yesa no eno so se omo hwese mra no ama sa kwan bia na omo ka so omo gina no so bia ya eno so enyeyi esan se ko ba so omo gina no so a na se ase omo ba ya mra no mu bebre dodo e ba sa bibia betime mra nim enti omo hwe ne sa de omo yen sa enyeyi omo makwan e ma mra nim sa esan se ke mra na hye bia eni e bia nkoma bi ne ho kakra ba mra na hye ne bia omo ma mra nim sa ma bibia etimi mra nim sa enti se sa na tia bia na ni application no omo mfa ma no se na tia no
omo ba to agu
omo makwan e ma ne emphasize ni ma no person de kan nka
okay and ekokoye 9-0 because two justices eba kan ho yeah into mu amunim the justice
na bi ne ko
benkro
na injinya ba akofo adwene sa decision ba sa almost impossible just be anyame bam nyame amamu a o sa decision enyeyi
ma fe yen hwenti ye clear enu wie ye se omo mma kwan e ma omo mfa the on person omo de ka ho no emfa nka na afi wo se court na ehwe asem na nkasa pote asem no review na nkasa se ye ka se ye ma mo kwan e ma mo mfa sa questions no e ma electoral commission mo se ye nsan hwe mu bio it is asem no so no omo ma kwan ma lawyer chachuchi kata de na argument nyina to dwa oye ye easy lawyer kasai na the lawyer akoto ampaw enso ekasai and a Supreme Court justices no accord them sign by omo by na president of the panel the ruling on an onso to dwa yentie.
Absolutely.
This is the ruling of the court. The review jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, as conferred by Article 133 Clause 1 of the 1992 Constitution, and regulated by Rules 54 to 60 of the Supreme Court Rules 1996/16, has set down the threshold that the applicant has to satisfy in order to succeed in an application for review. It is a special jurisdiction conferred on this court. The threshold are A, exceptional circumstances which has resulted in miscarriage of justice. B, discovery of new and important matter or evidence which after the exercise of due diligence was not within the applicant's knowledge or could not be produced by him at the time when the decision was given. We have read the processes filed in this application and have listened to counsel. We are not satisfied that the applicant has met the statutory requirement of Rule 54A of CI-16 in order to succeed in the application for review of the ruling of this court dated 19th January 2021. The application fails and it is accordingly dismissed. The panel will be reconstituted to give further directions for the trial of this petition.
As the court please.
And the President of the panel, Chief Justice of the Republic, Justice Enin Yeboah, and the ruling no etu. And the second application, and that one enum, the application for review no, and non so the ekokosi. And I'm so ma justices ni mi no beka ho. Omudi case no on the 17th of this month no, na 7-0. And the 2 beka ho asen akwakoye 9-0. Lawyer.
Yes, Eddie the Timika. Sir, utie in Nazo Supreme Court National.
Yes.
Nyamiani ni se mitie chashikata and some of kind na as a lawyer I was convinced to say the Supreme Court was likely to grant the application. That's o me nyina so a na media metia ne so mani na so menye Supreme Court judge
yeah
ena mini to media wasem no ho e bia na brofo na ye mede ana e bia kwan kro fa so kan sam na e bia ye mede injine ma me so mani na mom Supreme Court adwini mu no mo ma ina so a ye de ye review eno mu kirem se review no da bia no do na ana metaka ne TV in radio so classroom na ye kan so da bia esi do na adwini ye say review no eye appeal ena wo koye na da bia etesi se nipa bebre adwin no se wo ko appeal wo koye review Supreme Court appeal na wo koye anisa enti ena Supreme Court ni chemu se review enya appeal no ma kan so da bia sa na esi
yeah
enti ni tie wo ma o mo kirem se kwankra o person o enya so a o be review a ye gina so edikan ene se sama o de ba ye na enti ye bogu ye e ma ye bogu ye no se enkoma ni se wo nyansam foforo bi a na sa amre na wo de asane ba na eni uni sansam no na unsa ni tumi bia se obetumi anya sansam na sankrata na e bia ye no tie na wu gina so se nge se adwene no na enu nchen na oni so tumi bia enti se se dia on saka sankrata na sa information no na nka sa amre na nka ode asane ba kane no na nka sankrata na information wo ho a nka Supreme Court nko mun decide asem no se de mu se decide no eno mu sta kire bia se odi ano to nchen a de to so mienu a we nyina so betimi bia ba ama e betimi asesan ya adwene no e be review no enko ba ne se decision e take here no yeah friends miscarriage of justice ama attention friends attention I tanya to the sense say ebema ehun susu aso no ebon enye enti sense say city enti no say say adwene say be ya e de sebio pepepeyo ene gidie ne niaka beba atemu ene sebio court nsemu ena ne friends miscarriage of justice
yeah
let's ask what bo sebio pepepeyo ne ade is what about to kura baby kura nemo nti hu sa ansem foforo enti no nyina so a ofi se Supreme Court no etie wa no asem yi a na so mo bensem mu a o mo dwene ho a o mese so ma dwene enu nti na ese e mo review no na sai na so na sai ujira so na so ba e mo mutie na nya sai wono keke so beba so miscarriage of justice ana say mpo the decision taking no wrong Supreme Court adwene mu no ensama atatuti katakan ni nyina no de na say as appeal no oba be decision na anya ne de na oba appeal na nye review mum no oba it's say review grounds no completely different from appeal grounds
wow
sa no mu no ehu no
yeah
so this is ampa parameters at Supreme Court to say reading out first the grounds for review now em say as a emotions mum and appeal na omo kampo omo de bae na it wasn't based on grounds of review no
yeah any of the two grounds are okay you know
grounds of review no ha ora is o man say that nyina emu bia so because you tie nsem bia sebi ha obisa questions as you get a man no obisa questions say why read sa asem na you say ya esi de na ultimate sa asem wi ehun hia sebio ensem de tell me what answer me so read grounds of review how is that relevant to sa asem nyina so a e review
lawyer
but what did they say
yeah I get
so
you
it's because as grounds of review no as they meet those two requirements and as the three meet our requirements
yeah
but still
okay
we and as if say original application now because you're still talking about relevance
the same issue of relevance lawyer I get you unfortunately Emrena so production team you know say I was here share na ye DSC enti meda se papa the good news and say nyame adom a ochena trial nankasa share ase and likely say bibia to tomu a witnesses mienu a petition ane de omo ba Johnson asiedu nketia and Michael Pesa White ebe mount witness box no ochena na afi cross examination ni bibia etumi akoso in the trial ne sha ase ochena de GND say the live coverage bebremo ewo Adom TV so ewo Asempa FM and Adom FM ochena 10 a.m. pepe me chere anopa nondu na ye de bibia bremo ewo Adom TV so intimation nso emfa emayen anwumre no so yebese aba betena se ne ye de nchantwemu no amamo today in court so mayen fa seda sonko ema petrol so clean fuel in full quantity is always a delightful experience. DBS Roofing, we truly are your roof expert. Koa mixture, the immune booster for your general well-being. Lawyer Justice Abdullahi Yadase Papa Midin Edio Say Bonsu. On behalf of the production, good evening.